On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on? Otter gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a good sleep. Some of you are staying up. I think Jay Quick Smoker is good evening. How's it going, mate? What's going on? Thank you so much, Jay Quick Smoker, with the 5 gifted memberships to start it off with a bang. Thank you for being here, and thank you for the early gifted memberships. God bless you, man, and thank you, everybody, for being here. What is going on? Bitcoin, my God. You guys, this volatility is absolutely insane. I had a very, very good trading day yesterday. Just quick, in and out like a good boy scout trading. The coffee is good today. My God. Let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? Well, I got to fix my screen. My screen is all messed up here. 1 second. They updated my... Oh, my God. What is going on with this? They updated my Streamlabs. Let me just center this thing. You guys are in here somewhere. 1 second. 1 second. Oh, my God. What did they do? I think Tony Soprano did this. Okay, we're going to shrink this down here. Oh, does this still fit? That's what she said. Make a funny joke. Like nothing ever happened. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. I want the chat. You don't really care about that. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Trying to make it fit. It's not easy. Insert rude joke. I think that'll do. What do you guys think? Yeah? Yeah. Then this is still visible. Okay. All right, we're good. No panicking. I always panic whenever I see an update. I've had an update on my phone for about 3 weeks. I won't touch it. I won't touch it until they start slowing down my computer or my phone. You know what I mean? Until they actually start. You know they do that, right? Put a 1 in the chat if you know that they slow down your phone if you don't update it. You guys probably, if you know, right? What's going on, everybody? Thank you for your patience. A breakout retest continuation trade coming up right now. This is super volatile. Okay, so let's be very cautious, but I do like the looks of this. Okay, we got bottoming structure in here. A retest coming in back right now as we speak. We are in a downtrend, so we are contrarian to the way the price action is moving. But we could come back down and do a little slap in here, move back up to VWAP. Okay, so just looking at this right now this morning, my mind's telling me yeah. So let's just see what happens here. I'd like to see, this is not the greatest candle in here. If you see, we got a 3 minute push and then a retracement back down that 3 minute push. Okay, so something I like the push, but I do not like how quick we came back down. I would have liked to see more of a trickle. Okay, a trickle. We do have Golden Pocket 786 locally here, but that would have been our entry there. It's the hard choice here this morning. This is a trade setup that I take sometimes. I don't take, this would be like a B setup. Just not enough confluence in general. And we don't have a couple of things stacking in our way. I would like lower this morning. I mean, I could take this. I'm going to stay out of this right now. I think I spun my dial this morning. Okay, I have a dial on my desk. It's probably going to pump now. But I have a dial on my desk. This is my grandfather's. And it has a whole bunch of things. And I spin it every morning. And it tells me the future. Okay? And what it told me is to sit on it today. It said sit on it. So there's a couple options on here. It says sit on it. It landed on sit on it this morning. Okay, it has no. It says see your analysis. This isn't even trading. It says sit on it, see your analysis. Yes. Fire someone. Fire someone. We landed on that a couple weeks ago. Pass the buck. Pass the buck. Maybe, reorganize, no. And you give it a little spin and you trust it. What does it say now? Maybe. But it said sit on it this morning. Let's see if the dial is right. It is my grandfather's. He was a businessman in the glass business. And I don't know if he used it a lot, but I'm using it. I think it's got some good juju. Shout out to everybody in here. What superpower do you I had a giggle this morning. I couldn't think of a third one to make it kind of an even playing field, so I added Elon. What's going on? Jesse Galluck, Trade Intuition in the chat. What's going on, my friends? Good to see you in here. Quick Smoker, Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Look, it's good we stayed out of this so far. It's good we stayed out of this. We'll keep an eye on it, right? I would prefer this. 786, SFP of the low, bounce continuation. Okay. Good patience here. Good patience. Reward yourself for being patient. You don't need to take a million trades in a day. Okay. There's lots of trades here. Lorelei, good morning. Chantel, good to see you as well. Risk management can indeed be learned by an artificial intelligence. Absolutely. I think we were talking this morning about Dario said, good vibes from Mexico. Alex, do you think that at least half of your knowledge and experience could be transferred into an AI for trading? And what would happen if AI agent with your experience and knowledge were trading 24 hours a day? And then I said I wouldn't teach it my risk management plan, so it would fail. But I'm sure it could figure it out. It would be over trading. And then it would be exhausted, but I don't think that happens to computers, so it's always scary. It's always scary. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, it's a beautiful day, man. Good to see you, my brother. My brother, good to see you, man. Always with the kind words. Always saying good morning. I appreciate your good mornings, Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Trey Roberts, Donato Cabrera, Tony Soprano, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you as well. Dusty Hunt, forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Trey Roberts, Zeno with the pink hand. Fitners, Dario, good morning. Darshan Baba, what's going on? Thank you so much, Jay Quick Smoker, for the 5 gifted memberships. Look, very good discipline. See, we didn't take the trade. We listened to the dial. Okay. Uncle Jesse, The Root, Quick Smoker, Nabil Khan, good morning to you. Andrew Cameron, Kevin H, Lurker, Helder, Lurker, Chris Howard, Lurker, Martin, Lurker. I'm not Edward, Lurker. What's up, Lurkers? Good to see you. Thank you for being here, Lurkers. Anto, Andy Lee, good morning to you. Infinite Team, TA, I gotta learn how to say your name. Shematrice. No, I think it's Shemtrice. Shemtrice? I think I'm failing. I don't want to insult you. I really want to know how to say your name properly. Thank you for being here. Steve Hickey, good morning to you. Man, this thing snaps on me sometimes. My God. Look at all these gang members, man. You guys are all in a gang, man, and up to no good, causing trouble in the neighborhood. Defiant, good morning to you. Guile, Darshan, J Violet, Papa Like It's Crypto, Girl Dad, what's going on? Jermo, mad love to you. Is that the original JRMO? J to the R to the M to the O. What's going on, man? JR, Wolverine, fast healing would ensure you live a long and healthy life. Yeah, absolutely. Walsh Jesse, the basic crypto chick. Good morning to you guys. Good to see you. Otter gang. Trade intuition, Georgia. No trade. See, look, good patience. We'd be in the red. Right off the bat, we'd be in the red. And it's not something that I'm interested in just yet. We do have a mitigation of a high in here, but it's you're being biased, I think, when you're trying to justify why. Always check yourself before you wreck yourself. When you're trying to justify a position, typically not a good idea. Okay? Hi from New Zealand. What's going on? I had a good Kiwi friend when I lived in Australia. So shout out to the New Zealanders. Love you guys, man. Great people, man. Gang. Rashad, what's going on? Giorgio Lamola, what's going on? K-Tix, bro, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Little man's still not sleeping, man. It's I feel terrible for my wife, if I'm gonna be honest. Like, I obviously will help her as much as I can, but I also need to work all day. So there's like she's just a victim of my son right now, where he doesn't want to go down and sleep. It's almost to the point where it's ridiculous, right? So it's not easy for us right now with the sleeping, especially my wife. Shout out to my wife. She's an absolute superstar, but she's not struggling, but she's having a hard time getting him to sleep right now, and I get it. It's not easy. New parents, right? We're trying our best. So, but thanks for asking. Quick Smoker, howdy. Good to see you, man. Another 10. I mean, the one word I forgot to say, the funniest word an Australian says is dinner. Okay? Dinner. Dina. They say Dina. Okay? I love living in Australia, but the first time I heard an Australian say dinner, Dina. I loved it, man. I mean, culture is so cool, man. You go here, there, and everywhere. You got Dina. It's Dina. Anyways, me and my wife were giggling about that yesterday. Good to see a wave cipher. My man, good morning to you. So a little bounce here. It's trying to push, but there's liquidity in here. We have broken downwards momentum, trying to move up to VWAP. We've done golden pocket. Now this is just 786 in here. So that would be our 786 line. This is nice structure. We got anchor trigger wave push out here. You may want to take this up to VWAP. That's totally up to you. Don't forget we are in downtrend right now, so we'll figure it out. Good morning to you. Thank you, Jay Smoker, for 10 gifted memberships. Man, you blessed me today, man. Thank you so much. Girl Dad, not a lurker. Knights of Calm lurker, Andrew Ruiz. Ruiz. What's going on, lurker? Mr. Friends lurker, Matt L. lurker. Summer Sunrise, Lurker, Crypto Zed, Lurker, Atlas Prime. You've been here before. Thank you for being here. Daniel Crypto, Lurker. What's going on? And Sin City Crypto. Is that the OGs of Sin City Crypto? Can we click on them? I think that's them. Is that them? It's a bird. It's a plane. It's David and Rob. Or maybe it's Rocco. Who knows? Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Greetings, Jay Quick Smoker. Thank you so much for the gifted memberships. Rashad, Uncle Jesse, Orlando, Crypto. Same. Okay. See, no bounce. The little tease here, right? So look how whip snappery. When price action is this volatile, okay? So what I suggest you do is you go over to the VIX and set some alerts, okay? So the volatility index is something that you don't have to look at this all the time. But what I do is I set alarms, okay? So on the VIX, you will see that the VIX is a volatility index. So I have an alarm set at 24 and at 17, okay? Between 24 and 17 is typically, we'll tell you one thing. This is telling me that the price action, the way the price action is moving right now is absolutely insane. Haven't you guys noticed how whip snappery? Quick, right? So the VIX, when we're down here, this is like horribly boring. This is chop solidation. This is like a Sunday in a bear market, okay? So understanding, median, general median, right? But when we're up here, my God, I tell you, you better be using a stop loss, my friends. You better be prepared. Just thought little tricks to the trade you learn along the way, okay? Getting that trigger wave here, trying to put, I think this will come up to here. I'm not going to rush today because my sundial thing told me to sit on it. I'm going to respect the trading gods this morning. Elon Musk. I had a good giggle. I couldn't think of another thing to add to the poll because I like to make them fair. Like I could add like Magneto, I could add like Xavier, but everybody's gonna pick the guy who can turn metal into whatever, or mind control, or everybody's gonna pick that. So I figured I'd make it more of like an even superpower playing field. I try to make it even. I mean, we all know you're gonna pick Xavier anyways. You telepathy, all that stuff, Cerebro. I know what you guys are into. I know my audience, okay? Nice push up here. Good morning, Random. Good to see you, Orlando. Rashad, good morning to you. Thank you for asking them to subscribe and joining the free Discord. Spoon, good morning to you. Good to see you as well. Tony Soprano, thank you for being here. Everybody just blame Tony. If you do have a problem, you can blame Tony. He's tough. He's tough AF. I think this thing is not in my screen properly. There we go. We should have it like a little bit more wider here. Okay, there we go. Peter, good morning to you. Good to see you, man. Crypto Mike, good morning to you. Thank you for being here, everybody. I can't read your name. Good to see you. Blair Stevenson, Uncle Jesse, J Violet, Defiant, Trey Roberts. Everybody put in the ones in the chat. Are you guys long or what? You guys long? Long like Donkey Kong? High or low? Continuation. Mitigation of the high here. Nice bull div. Yeah. AED. F13. Thank you so much for the 10 AED, man. Otters in the chat, man. Let's put some otters in the chat for F13. Thank you so much for the 10 AED super chat, man. You don't have to super chat, but I do appreciate your kindness and your generosity. Thank you for being here and hanging out with us. Let me know. Are you guys long here? Did you guys take the long? Put a 1 in the chat if you took the long. I need to know. I need to know. I need to know. Tony Soprano, Spoon, rejected 200 moving average yesterday. Yeah, we came up there and then big old slap down. DSV, good morning to you. Good to see you. Roaming Brave as well. Happy Allen. This could be the last wave. Oof. JR, that's called plan. Okay. That's a lot of reading. Good morning to you, JR. Thank you for being here. Wody, good morning. Everybody picking Elon this morning. I mean, who wouldn't want to be a billionaire? I mean, you got to think about it. This guy's doing the Doge thing, but he's a billionaire. He doesn't give two rats' asses about who he upsets. G Corp, good morning. Shredder, good morning to you. Videsh, good morning. Alex, love from India. Thank you for the love, man. God bless. Andrew Cameron, R.S. Miller, my man. Good morning, Anto. Good morning to you, J.R. Boa. Good morning, sir. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Jim Kramer in the chat. Watch out. Inverse Kramer. Kramer, just say we're going down, please. Sell your Bitcoin. Sell your Bitcoin. We're going into a recession. Say it, baby. Say it. Rashad, Crypto Princess. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see a Crypto Princess. Jedi Gaze. Darren doing things. He's doing things. Let's go. My man, Darren. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. Jabes, Jim Kramer. And I can't keep up with this chat anymore. You guys got to stop talking so much. Holy sh... What? Army Piper just attacked the chat, man. Holy smokes. French Toaster in the chat. Melissa Curvis, good afternoon. I want to know if you guys are in the long. Put a 1 in the chat if you're in the long. I don't see any ones. A couple ones. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at all these people. I can't handle this, man. I'm not used to this. Little push up here. 3 drives. 3 drives. Okay. I'm gonna look here. Look here. Okay. We're going to do top-down analysis as well. We got to get to Army Piper's 50 membership superb kindness giveaway. Okay, we got some momentum here. 30-minute. Okay. 30-minute bullish. 1 minute trigger wave. Or 1 hour, sorry. 2 hours coming out. 3 hours coming out. 4 hours coming out. Okay. It says danger. It says danger. It says longs should be short. Shorts should be long. If you understand what I mean, then you should be trading. If you don't understand what I mean, then maybe give it a paper trade, baby. Give it a paper trade. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. Look at this. Longs playing out. Okay. Rashad, good morning to you. Army Piper with 50 AlexOCrypto memberships. My God, look at this. Look at this trade playing out. Incredible. All right, let's find some lurkers. We got Billy Go Tails in here. That's amazing. Thank you for being here. Givers game, baby. Army Piper in the chat. Lady to the gravy. Lurker. Emmanuel, thank you for signing up yesterday and joining the Discord. God bless you, man. We got you all sorted. All good. Good to see you. Elizabeth Evanson. Rocco's in the chat. My man. Amica Mia. What's going on? Felipe. What's going on, man? The Flash. Go back in time and tell my younger self to buy Bitcoin. Yeah, let's go. Look at this long playing out, man. Bottoming structure. Yeah, it was all there. It was all there. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Anton. Lurker. Batu. Lurker. Neat. Lurker. Subhan. Lurker. Lee. Scully. Lurker. Jonathan Cowick. Lurker. Uncle Jesse. Give his game, baby. Wicked Wicks. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that long. My God, I'm going to be upset about this. Caffeinated Crypto, my man. Good to see you. Mighty Moto Adventure. Good morning to you. Dabin Flow. Lurker. JR. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Jeff Carlson. Lurker, I believe. Creep. Lurker. Oft. Cut down. Lurker. Look at this play out, man. I'm upset about this trade already. Oh, well. At least I told you this could be a long, right? I guess some people come here just to hear me talk and not trade. I don't know who wants to hear me talk. Definitely not my wife. This would have been a beautiful long. We got data in 7 minutes, friends. We got data in 7 minutes. Okay, I'm just warning you all. Bascruton, my man, good to see you. I went long. Good job, Colin. The long was there. Absolutely. This is a nice little long up into VWAP here. We're going to VWAP slap. Jeez. Crypto Ace, good morning. This is never financial advice. I can talk you through it if you like. Long, good morning. Alexander, good morning to you. Steven Sainsbury, I've seen you before. Tamale, let's go. Skip B, Lurker, Eric, Lurker. Good morning, Airdropper. Good to see you, man. X-Men. Oh, Lurker. He's probably picking Wolverine. Calvin Clark, Lurker. Danny, Lurker. Looney, Lurker. Crypto Creek. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Coltrane, Marks, Lurker. Lurker. Look at all these people who got long there. Congratulations on your money. Don't forget to play yourself. Blockchain, bruh. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Dave Roy, Lurker. Ivan Hernandez, Lurker. I expect good mornings. That's all I expect. I leave everything out. You can do whatever you want here. You can talk a lot of smack. You can put a D in your eye. You can be a lurker. But I'd appreciate you not being that guy who comes to the office, sits in the corner, watches weird stuff on his computer and not say good morning, okay? You can watch weird stuff on your computer. Just say good morning. Kind of how I like to treat this place. This is not a safe place. This is where we make money, honey. Okay, like a Playboy bunny. We like to have fun here, though. Chat Master, Redline Venom, good morning to you. Pavios, good morning to you. Lurker, Pot Jackie, Lurker. Man, you making me call out all these lurkers. I seem like a bad person. Army Piper just coming through, man. 50 gifted memberships. I got to add the Army Piper logo to the gang, man. Did you send it to me? I don't think you sent me the image for the Piper Academy or Army Piper emoji. I don't think you sent it to me. Joel Vasquez, Paul Caruso, he got long as well. Good job, guys. Good job. Carlos Garcia. Lurker. Okay, let's get into the regular chat, guys. What's cooking? Good looking. Blair Stevenson. All right. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. God bless you guys, and thank you guys for saying good morning. You're Alex, too. Thank you for being an Alex. Let's go. And our lead hitter and second baseman, Donato Cabrera. Okay, I did it for you, Billy. That's it. That's all you're getting. I'm not that guy in the corner. Thank you so much, Army Piper. You're going to have to send that to me again. Army Piper's in my DMs. Okay? Picture. I'm too busy sending him pictures of my son. Oh, man. Look at this thing pump, man. Okay, news is coming up. Let's get focused here, everybody. Okay, so we got the PP data coming out in 2 minutes. I'm not lying when I say PP data. It's literally PP data, okay? I'm going to put this over here. We're going to watch the PP data. I've already given you guys a long, okay? Already done it. I've given you guys the trade for the day. We're going to find more. Okay, we always find more. Look at that, beautiful. What do we got here? Oh, yeah. 0.5% move up into VWAP. Easy trade. Easy trade. This is the thing. I feel like sometimes when I come on here, I miss trades because I'm trying to run a show. But you know what? At the end of the day, you guys, I hope my goal is to give you guys the tools to be able to see 3 drives, mitigation of the high, retest continuation, take the long, stop loss below the low. Like, that's what I want to teach you guys. If I've done one thing right, is I've shown you how to get your damn fishing rod out of your butt, throw it a line, and catch some damn fish, okay? I want you guys to eat, okay? That's it. 3 drives, mitigation of the high, retest, continuation, reversal pattern, okay? Very, very simple. Stop loss below the low. Volatile, so you know you're wrong if it breaks this. So you have this option. That's your option. right? Up to VWAP. Simple target, easy peasy, lemons are squeezy, okay? That is my hope. That's why you come here, right? You want to make money. You don't want to come here and you want me to do top-down analysis on Pepe. That's anybody can draw some lines in the sand, right? Where's the 3 draws? Right here. 1 minute time frame. Bing, bing, bing. Bullish divergence. Right? Mitigation of the high. Retest. Continuation out. Into a 786 golden pocket, right? Key level. We had it marked out this morning, so go swing low to swing high. Right? Swing low to swing high. Mark out your area for a retracement. Comes into your area. 3 drives. Break. Retest. Continuation. Right? Very easy. Very easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, we got 20 seconds for the PP data. Okay, everybody, make sure you got your depends on. Lots of PP coming out right now. Be careful here. Be careful here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I would suggest closing your trade. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bing, bing, bing. And what happened? We're pumping. Oh my God, this would have been a beautiful long. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping. We're dumping. Pumping, dumping. Oh my God, it's dumping. It's pumping. It's dumping, pumping. It's dumping, pumping. What do we got here? My God, this thing isn't updating fast enough for me. I can't handle this. Okay, we're dumping, pumping. PPI coming in at 0. Coming in at 0. My God, this would have been a beautiful long. Big sweep of all the people up top here. Big sweep. This tells me we've grabbed liquidity all the way up into here. Wow. Okay. That's wrecked every short. That means they're going to send it down, right? That's what it would tell me, is that they're going to send it down now that they've swept all the liquidity above us. My God. My God. It's coming down again. All right, let it simmer here. Let it simmer here. VWAP. We're gonna have a battle at VWAP now, unless we roll over. But this has swept all the liquidity above us. All these highs in here. All this highs in here and highs in here. Anybody who got short in here is probably wrecked. Okay. Now it's sending price down because it swept all those people up there. Holy smokes, Batman! Look at this dump. It's dumping. Maybe Piper will be there to tell us what just happened with the PP data. Well, guys, there was confluence. There was confluence up at the top there. Confluence up at the top here with the PPI data. Okay, we're gonna send you to Piper's Academy over here so you guys can understand what the PP data is all about. I'm just aware of it. Piper will break it down for you. But there was confluence up at the top here in the PP data that allowed us to make a good trade. Thank you, Piper. We're going to have to add the Piper emoji to the channel. But there was definitely confluence up here. Okay? The pump song. The pump. Jesse, it's dying. It's dying. Oh, man. Numbers are good. Pure manipulation. This is disgusting. This is why I said close your trade. I said it, didn't I? Close your trade. You had 3 seconds to close your damn trade. My God. Squeeze. Look at all this squeeze. This is where you let this is where you let it simmer, okay? Dusty Hunt's fishing license expired. I got a fishing license. I also have a boating license. In Canada, the boating license is called a boating license in Canada is called a pleasure crafting license. I gotta get the card. I'll get the card for tomorrow's stream. I'll make it the thumbnail. Pleasure craft. I took my wife on the Sea-Doo once. The pleasure craft. Anyways. Too good. Thank you everybody for being here. I'm not the guy in the corner. Look at this volatility. This is wild. Oh man. Tony Soprano. How do I get the membership? The membership is just for the emojis. That's why it's the cheapest option I could put on YouTube. I just want you guys to all be members in here. The real membership's in the Discord, which is going up on Friday. It is the cheapest, most alpha Discord you'll ever come across. $30, $1 a day right now until tomorrow. Scarcity. A bunch of new members have signed up. Thank you for joining us. I do appreciate your support. We just continue to show up for you guys as much as possible, right? That's what it's all about. But the subs on YouTube, it's just so you could use all the emojis. You can put some gang. You can put some otters, you know. I just want you to be able to participate. We don't want to charge you an arm and a leg for a YouTube membership. Some people do it the opposite way, where your YouTube membership is for your Discord and that kind of thing. But we keep it this way. Yeah, Slava, good morning. PPI, better than expected. Good PP. Good peepees in the eye. We had a D in the eye yesterday that we had to kick. Now we have P in the eye, and you can see the Wick. Wick's wife would have been so proud of that rhyme. Let's go. Wick's wife, 89. Good morning to you. Good to see you. Chat Master, good to see you as well. Crypto Creek. Greetings from the UK. Thank you for being here, Slavo. Hello, you're all right. You're right, mate. PP Data coming out. Yeah. Happy Alan. All right. Squeeze. Crypto Billy in the chat. My man, bro. I love you, Crypto Billy. I love you, bro. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Guys, go check out Billy Goat Tales. We're trying to get them to 1,000 subscribers. That would be the goal. So they can have emojis that we can spam. That's what it's all about. And we can shower them with super chats. That's the one. What's the difference between YouTube channel and the paid membership for your YouTube channel? Well, there's a lot of differences. I suggest you come over to the free section, okay, and watch the membership video, okay? There's a video here that will show you what you get, okay? You get a schedule, you get live streams, you get trade signals, you get, my God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 traders, 8 group coaching calls, lessons galore, charts galore. My God, I don't know what else you want from me. Look, Raj asked me like 500 questions last night, and guess what? Raj got an answer, okay? Raj got multiple answers, just trying to help him get on his feet for trading, right? But that's how we roll, man. It's an amazing community. So if I sub today, it'll be 30 forever. Yeah, your price will never change unless you cancel it. There's people locked in at $20, right? There's people who locked in at $20. I think we did 15 was our launch. We did Black Friday 15. I promise you, it'll never go under $30 again. If we do a Black Friday one, it's going to be at least 35 to protect those who got in early. Because they deserve it. They're OGs, right? They're the Otter Gang original members, foundational members, which, you know, they deserve to be recognized, okay? To be recognized. So let's zoom out. Let's take a look here. Enough of that shilly shite. We just want to make sure that, and we have established that shite is not a swear word. Okay, just so you're aware. I've been so good with my swear words, I have to force myself to swear. Because I'm down for changing, okay? Changing my son's diapers, changing my vocabulary, okay? I'm going from construction mouth to, I don't know what you're going to call my mouth, but it's probably going to be rude. So let's stay away from that as well. So what do we have here? We have a wall of shite. 84,000, big resistance, okay? Failure to get above here twice now, okay? Bearish divergence up at the top, a lower high pushing us down. So we should expect lower price action here. We just had a big sweep, which tells me that we're probably squeezing the shorts from up here and sending price down. Now, we do have some stops along the way that we are prepared for. First target's the mitigation of this low, okay? Coming down to our 786 as we speak, okay, which is literally right down in here. We could bounce from here, not taking it. Let this settle, right? Let this settle. We can go from swing low to swing high here, and that would have been our 786 level that it's coming to right now. I mean, you could go up to here now. It's kind of, beyond the point. Right now, this is the no trade zone, okay? We gave you the long this morning, 3 drives, retest continuation, craziness, okay? Now we're breaking down now, okay? So next level is down in here. Also the mitigation of this low. All right? So really, we have a bunch of liquidity below us. That's the concern, is that we have pushed up quite nicely here, okay? Quite nicely. But we have created some liquidity along the way, and that being all in this, okay? All in this. So interesting areas, right? We can pull fibs from swing lows to swing highs. We can get some local golden pocket 786 areas that we're interested in, which is in here. There's a nice order block in here as well. If we come down, that's around 81,900-ish, okay? Also, our big full Fibonacci retracement, that's going to be ideal for us if we do come lower, okay? A little lower and a little slower. We'll see how it goes. But right now, there seems to be extreme volatility and an attempt to push through 84. So my bias is a little bit up right now because I would love to see us come and squeeze these people from Saturday coming into our 86,000 area. I want to see these guys squeezed, okay? But we don't always get what we want. So we'll trade what's in front of us, try to position ourselves accordingly with good risk management. Now, looking at our market cipher, what we really want to see today, okay, is a confirmation of a couple of things, okay? We have the 2-day that will print today. So we want to see a printing of the green dot, okay? That's going to be ideal. Okay, you can see we got 11 hours right here. So at the end of the day, we will see if this prints a green dot, which would be bullish because we got bull divs in here, okay? So we want to see that confirm and push. Okay, also the daily here, money is trying to come up. The money has yet to fully come up, but it's starting to try, okay? We got the anchor trigger wave here, so this is a good sign for continuation. Okay, going to our 12. This is where it gets a bit iffy, okay? Because we're coming back up to the 0 line here, and we can get rejected quite easily with VWAP coming over. Then we go to our 8. Our money is still aggressively down. The 8 hour is something I use for money flow quite often, and that's still down quite aggressively. 4 hour, overextended, pushing down. VWAP trying to push back, okay? 3 hour, same thing, overextended, trying to push down. This could continue to trickle up, okay? So what we would like to see is the money turn up and the VWAP crossover. Hopium, right? That's the hopium. Now, the 1 hour and the 2 hour have a lot more hopium. You have money coming in, you have VWAP crossing over, a little bit of rejection, but you can see some curvature starting to happen here on our 2 hour and then our 1 hour trigger wave, baby. Let's go, let's go. So this could be beautiful because we are in a short-term uptrend right now. Okay, so this could blast us off. We got to be careful because the long-term trend is down. So if this, then that kind of trading, just being prepared as possible. Okay, so there is that hopium that anytime there is a trigger wave on an uptrend, short-term uptrend, you can see the trigger waves here. They have played out quite nicely. So can we get a bounce out of here? We'll see. But most things are pointing overextended up here, and we typically want to see a revisit back into the liquidity below us. Okay, so it's not an easy read today, but we'll do our best to take advantage of price action like we always do and help you guys navigate these charts. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We got a whole bunch of people in here. I haven't even looked. We got 480 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys. And 115 likes. I shut up at 100 or at 200 likes. So if you guys wouldn't mind just tickling that that like button, that'd be great. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. So we got that PPI data, the squeeze right now. So this to me suggests we continue downwards. Okay, so being prepared, understanding where our key levels are, what we're looking for. For now, it's about I'll let this settle a bit. Right now, it's just still doing its thing. We do have some momentum to the upside, but 15-minute money flow crossover, 24-minute coming out. Yeah, this looks a little bit toppy. Yeah, inverse head and shoulders in here, but downtrend, right? Downtrend. So always identify your trend on Market Cipher. That'll help you. Even if money is coming up here, it's still coming down here. So you can get confused with that, and you don't want to get confused. So we do have a mitigation of the low and a pop back up here. This is not bad. Okay. View up as resistance in front of us, the squeeze up in here. Bullish PPI, PP data. So a bunch of mixed signals right now, and obviously a very volatile market. Okay, so patience will prevail in any sort of situation like this. That's about a 1% move. I like that. I would look for established higher highs and higher lows if we're going to get long here, because I need somewhere to put my stop loss, right? The long was here this morning. We gave it. We didn't take it, okay? Didn't want to rush this morning. Obviously, very, very round trip price action as well. So you want to be protecting yourself as much as you possibly can. Okay. Going over 3-minute here. Let's just let this settle a bit. And the bigger trade I'm looking for is down here. That's where we'll look for our initial area. And then VWAP, we'll look how price behaves within VWAP to make a better decision. Okay. We got some targets here. So yeah, targets above previous day open, I would guess. Previous day open down below us here. I don't put the labels on this. Oops, I hit something. I put the script label on here. I don't put the labels on here. Previous day opens below us. No. Oh. Previous day low. So that would be a target as well. At a key level in here, we got our golden pocket down below. So 80,500 if we're going to dump today. We got a lot above us, okay? A lot above us that we can come and get. But we want to position ourselves accordingly. I clicked the stupid button here. I don't know what I did. Typical. Can refresh it. And we're good to go. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. I see you guys in... Holy smokes. You guys are... I can't leave the chat alone. You guys are so intense, man. Crypto Billy. Love you, bro. Thank you for everything you do. Givers Game. Find your people. I bet you already got us 100 subs. I mean, we've done 2 giveaways to kind of get you guys some more subs. So we try to help you guys as much as possible. I love you guys. You know that. Billy's been Billy used to watch this channel when I had 3 people watching: Tony Soprano, Lunar Beaches, and my grandma. So thank you for always supporting the channel, Billy. God bless you, bro. I do appreciate you, man. I appreciate you like you wouldn't believe. Can't wait to see you in Vegas, bro. Dave Digital. My man, good to see you, bro. Good to see you as well. Close to golden pocket again, yeah. So once an area of a golden pocket area is tapped, it's been mitigated. It's been taken, right? So a retest of that area, I'm not as interested. Okay, just letting you know. Pele Photography. I am an Otter OG. Thank you for being part of the gang, man. Peter says short. Not yet, man. We wait. Purdy Mouth. John Foster Crypto. Find your people. Crypto Billy with the super check. God bless you, bro. If you're not following Billy Goat Tales, I think our mods can throw Billy Goat Tales channel in the description or in the chat here so you guys can go and follow Billy Goat Tales. We're trying to get them to 1,000 subscribers, man. It's the goal. Jay Quick Smoker, my man. That's like 65 memberships you've given today. Holy smokes. Thank you so much, man. He just wants me to call out all the lurkers. Jedi Gaze, Lurker, Angelo, Lurker, NFA, Lurker, Alec, Louisiana. How do you spell my name with a C, man? Lurker. Matoshi Rakamoto, Lurker. Emma Coiner, good to see you. Trey Roberts, good to see you. Sub hi, Lurker. Let's go. Esser, Lurker. Ahmed, Lurker. Bobby, Lurker. Max, Lurker. King Kirsch, Lurker. Ice Bandit. Man, all these lurkers getting memberships. You best be saying good morning from now on. French Toaster, my man. Good to see you, Toaster. The bravest toaster of all the otters around. Morton, I've seen you before. Good morning. Court Lurker, Kyle Fields Lurker. Flushing out more lurkers to celebrate the growth of the channel. Thank you so much, Quick Smoker. And thank you for being part of the gang, man. I appreciate you, bro. I'm like number 4, says Trade Intuition. My man. Nick, what's going on? Anderson, Joe's not a lurker. Nick's a lurker. Anderson's a lurker. Alex O gets really super nervous but tries to hide it. I think it's because I care. That's one thing I've learned is when you get nervous, I've stopped saying ask Billy. But when you get nervous because there's a lot of people on the stream, it's because you care, okay? But I'm not nervous today. I'm talking a whole lot of smack today. I'm having fun, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So high on life, Lurker. But I like your name, so maybe we'll say good morning to you. Samuel Lurker, Nibbles Lurker, Mr. 420 Lurker. 15-minute head and shoulders. This is coming down, man. Slava Lurker, Melodeme Lurker. Boinked Lurker. Tim Ruvenkamp Lurker. Man, I've never called so many lurkers out in my life. Jay Smoker's putting me through the ringer today. Oh, man. Thank you so much for the 50 gifted memberships. And it's so good to see everybody here. Thank you for hanging out, subscribing, all that good stuff. You guys are incredible. Okay, popping back up here. We got 40 minutes till market opens. We have a squeeze and a continuation down. Okay, so this wasn't an easy short because of the squeeze, but no trade right now. No trade in my opinion. A great little short scalp yesterday on the 786 before the news. That was awesome. A good trade the day prior to that as well. So I think we're 2 for 3 this week. We took a loss on Monday, a really good trade on Tuesday, an absolute banger on Tuesday, actually. That was great. And then a little scalp yesterday in our half-hour stream. We did a half-hour stream just to come on and hang out with you guys. Abden, Lurker. Alexandra G in the chat. What's going on, Alex? Hopefully you're driving safe. Keep your eyes on the road. I know there's some cuties out there that are probably catching your eye, like Dave Digital on the roof with his wrench. Mo, Alex, good morning. Nas, good morning to you. Gene, Rohit, Lurker. Second Mouse, Lurker. Frank Fit for Life, mad love to you. Jordan S. Lurker. My God. Crypto Billy, interesting price action. Yeah, it's news driven, right? So we know it's volatile. There was a long here this morning. Now we're gonna get bull divs in here. So this is a potential long. It's just you'd have to be super cheap here. You'd have to be really cheap. I'm more interested in a mitigation of this low. Okay, remember to always zoom out, right? So downtrend here. Are we trying to put in a higher low here, right? Are we trying to do that, or are we trying to put in a low and a continuation here for a push up on the news, right? So you got a couple of options here. Really, right now, taking a trade into the news, you're asking for it, in my opinion. You have the squeeze up top, which tells you that they're sending price down. in general. The bulls could come in at any time. I'm not saying this is guaranteed to go down. I'm just saying this tells me that we should be cautious with the longs until we have confirmation of a trend. Okay, so we get a higher low or a higher high or break a structure in here. Something to tell us we're going this way, right? We want to wait for that, especially after news. Because what we have right now is a downtrend. So we should expect another lower low to come in this downtrend. So this low should be taken. Otherwise, we're looking for a bounce out of here, but we want to go off of confirmation, right? If we're going to continue down, okay, that's fine. That's the way price is headed right now. But if we're going to bounce out of here, I want confirmation. And then we can get long here, stop loss below the low. Very simple, right? Just trying to keep ourselves protected at all times because we do take losses here. However, risk management is everything, right? You got to get to work. This is your gas money. Make sure you're risking 1% of your account per trade. Using good risk management, okay? My God. Tony Soprano, good to see you. David, good morning to you. Lurker roll call, let's go. Uncle Jesse. You changed your name to Uncle Jesse now, man. I don't know how to find you anymore, Jesse. Kevin, good morning. Gifted sub. Let's see some modders in the chat for all the new subs. Thank you for being here. John Foster Crypto. I appreciate you, brother. I'm joining Discord today because I really appreciate everything that you do. My man. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much. John Foster Crypto is always here hanging out. Thank you for joining the gang, man. $20 gifted. Beautiful super chat. Thank you so much for coming, hanging out with us, joining the Discord. John Foster Crypto. You've always been here, man. Look at that. Sweep. Big sweep. See? That's why you don't take that long. Big sweep again. Mitigation of the low here. Nice bounce back. Mitigation of the low. I kind of like this here. It's a pretty cheap trade if we want to get long here. I want to see it bounce back up, though. I need to see it bounce back up before I justify getting in. Okay. 1 minute. Got to bounce. Got to bounce. No bounce yet. Got to bounce here. Wait for this candle to close. We got 20 seconds on this candle. Waiting. Still waiting. It's a very cheap trade. Depends on this candle here. No trade. We got support level below us as well. Okay, bad candle. Bad candle, no trade. We're waiting for a good candle if we get one. Pushback. We're looking for a pushback here. This looks like sell pressure. No trade. Coming into our volume support here. I'm going to take a stab here. I'm in. Stop loss below the low. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push back up. Push back up. Come on. I like this. I like this candle here. That's why. If you're wondering why. Come on. Mitigation of the low, push back up, aggressive candle, V-shaped recovery. That's what we're looking for here. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Got to push. I was playing with my heartstrings this morning. Playing with the heartstrings. You got to go, man. Push. Come on. Come on. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let's go. Push it, baby. I'm going to take half off there. Stop loss to entry. Quick, cheap trade. $50 so far. I don't care if we get stopped out here. It's got to run now or not. Stop loss to entry, $50 out. This is a quick, snappy trade. We'll see if it bounces. We're playing the V-shaped recovery. $50 in. Let's go, Bitcoin, baby. There it is. Nice push, baby. Nice push. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Push it. We got more juice. We got more juice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. GG's, everybody. I'm 3/4 out now. Happy days. Nice little mitigation of the low slap there. 150 profits. Let the rest ride. We still got 10K in the trade. GG's, everybody. How's that for nerves, Dave? Let's go. This is why everybody comes to the show. Let's be real. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Otter gang, gang, gang. Man, love to you guys, man. How long do I need to lurk before I get a membership? I don't know, man. Let's go, gang, gang, gang. Let's see some gangs in the chat, man. You got to wait for that confirmation candle. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 150 realized. Stop loss at entry. Half a position size, right? That was a quick slap. Easy money. Here we go. Here's the trade. Right? Slap comes in, pushes back out, buy the candle, the 1 minute candle. 150 realized. We still got 9 grand in the trade, 10K, whatever. Okay. 3/4 out, right? 40,000 taken off the trade. Easy money. Easy money, baby. We made $150 in 5 seconds. Sorry, not 5 seconds. How many candles do we got here? $150 for 1, 2. Let's call it 3, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So What is that per hour? What is that? What is that? $150 for 4 minutes of work. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. That was gift wrap, wasn't it? We knew the bull divs were coming in here, right? So we were aware of the bull divs. We were aware we got positive data, so they're squeezing. They're going to send price down. Our first target should be the mitigation of the low. We know that if we mitigate this low, we're going to put in bullish divergence, okay? Okay? We wait. We see the mitigation. We wait. We wait. We wait for the candle to tell us what we're doing, okay? And we're going to go over this in the Discord. We don't buy this until we see this. Strength, strength. Don't buy this one. We don't buy this dip. We buy the strengths in the candle. We wait for it to close positively, telling us, hey, man, let's go. And guess what? We went, right? We went. Now, intention tells me to take this up to VWAP. But we know that we have resistance in this high here. Okay, so we know liquidity is here. So there's going to be a little bit of a turbulence in order for us to continue up here. But we're in it. Okay, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thank you for being here. Beautiful scalp this morning. God bless every single one of you guys in here. Gang, 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 gang. Love you all. Now we relaxing, right? Now we relaxing. Because I was so nervous before that Dave Digital had to tell me to stop being nervous and talk more about my Elon Musk superpowers. I mean, Spider-Man, Flash, Wolverine, Elon Musk. Why are you guys picking Elon Musk? Because he's a billionaire and he's got Donald wrapped around his finger. Whatever you're into, man. How do you take it off as you go? Yeah, so I took off half off. I told you I took half off, and then I got 3/4 of the way out. So it was a half a position size. Just looking for a little slap back up. We got it. It was more risky. So this would be like a B setup for me. It wouldn't be an A+ setup. So half a position size. You don't need a lot of position size in a market like this that is insanely volatile, okay? But you got to be intentional with it. My intention, take it back up into here. And also, it's cheap AF, right? If it closes below this low, I was risking $100 to make whatever, right? So I've already easily, I'd rather be super cheap because I typically risk 300, right? I'd rather risk a third of that and make decent money, right? Now I'm protected, yada, 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 right? So today I'm driving a Prius. My gas money, I'm not driving the Cybertruck. I'm driving the Prius to work, okay? $22.50 an hour. Nick Musgrave, my man, good morning to you. Good to see you, bro. Mad love to Nick. Thank you for being. God. Don't worry, just a sub, man. You'll be there. You'll get there, man. This is a potential place to add, but we're still in a downtrend, okay? We're still in a downtrend. We didn't mitigate the high in here. So this is... I wouldn't consider this a high in here. This is not... We could get continuation here. Not for me to add to. I'll let this thing run. Target being VWAP. Close it out at VWAP. Then we look for the short at VWAP, right? What's VWAP here? We got 83,200, so let's go 83,150. We'll put that in there. 83,150. And close the rest of the trade out for another $100 or whatever. That's cool. $250 trade. Okay. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If it does go up there, if not, whatever, right? We've made our $150. Another day, another dollar. That's how we roll. Thanks to whoever gifted me a membership. I mean, look at the generosity in the stream today. 3 more days and I will be trading again. Can't wait. Sniper's Nightmare in the chat. My brother. Good to see you, bro. Shout out to the mods in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Kicking ass, taking names. Elon's so evil, saving the U.S. $500 billion so far. Yeah, man. Good job, everybody. Great trading. Good job. Good entry. This is never financial advice. We do take losses here. We do. Okay, so this is not, we're not here to copy trade. I know a lot of you degens are. So hopefully I can teach you guys how to fish rather than doing whatever you're doing there on your wanking chariot. Okay. Much love to every single one of you guys. Look at all the fan funding today. My God. Crypto Billy. Thank you so much. John Foster Crypto. Army Piper. AED. Quick Smoker with the mad memberships. My God. Thank you so much, everybody, for supporting the channel. That's it's quite generous of you. I do appreciate you guys. Do you use post only limit orders? How do you calculate lot size so fast and the chances don't slip away? Yeah, so I have preset. I have my risk management, right? So I have my preset risk management, right? So if I go half a position size, I know that I'm risking 50K on the trade, right? Rather than 100,000. It's very just, the math is right there. The math is right there. Bitcoin rolling over here. Tomorrow will be the Saturday morning. I will change the price of the Discord. Okay. An amazing Discord. It's going to increase. You can lock in $30 if you do want to join. We have 4 amazing traders. 4 amazing traders. 5 amazing traders. I guess I'll include myself. But you get all these traders. You get trade setups. Kyle giving you guys a beautiful trade. Brewberry's on vacation right now, but an amazing trader as well. DVO giving you guys all the setups, all the good stuff. HRJ giving you guys an incredible Sui trade the other day. Woo-wee, banging. So an amazing Discord. Tons of great resources. A small, tight-knit community. Don't be a douche canoe. Be kind. That is our rules. If you don't follow them, the mods will lay the smack down. But you can lock in that $30 a month. Prices go up Saturday. We said we are going to up it. We're doing giveaways tomorrow. So everybody knows, tomorrow is the giveaway. So we're going to do the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. We're going to do 1 market cipher subscription. I've talked to Flop and Groper. We're going to do a market cipher subscription. Okay. I think we can possibly maybe Piper. I can talk to Alex Fernandez. Maybe we do a chart prime subscription giveaway. Maybe we can do one of those. I'm going to ask Alex. And then we're going to do some beautiful memberships. And we have a special announcement tomorrow too for I believe it's 3 We're gonna do three special announcements tomorrow. That the mods are aware of. And then maybe we'll give away our trading money tomorrow. So whatever we make trading tomorrow, we'll give it away. Depends on how well you behave and how much like buttons you're smashing. Because we only have 183 likes here and we have 458 people. My son's crying. 1 second. I need more coffee too. You guys need more coffee? I always need more coffee.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh man. My son just did a face plant. What do you do with a child that just wants to go? You know, my wife's so beautiful. My son just goes head over heels for him. Is that a good dad joke or is this not the time? Oh man. He's crying like a big baby. He is a baby. He's only 7 months, and he's just starting to he's sitting by himself, but I think he's a bit top heavy. We're watching him. We got all these padding on the ground, and of course he put a helmet on him. But I need a helmet too. We put all the padding on the ground. And he goes away from the padding. Oh, poor Mrs. Otter. Oh, man. They're tougher than you think. Yeah, I plan on... I hope to not raise a nambe pambe, as we say here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging on. Got some more coffee. Gave the son a little hug. Told him to toughen up, little soldier. You'll be all right. And that's it. That's it. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. You're listening to 102.7 WBTC, where the hits never stop coming. That's one. Coffee break. Play the jam. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up those likes. We're still in this long here. We got 150 realized just waiting. Okay, this does not look like it wants to go up just yet. Trade given in advance. We gave you the long over here. We took the long here. We'll see what we get here. We got an anchor trigger wave here, just trying to push up 1 or 3 minute time frame. Just a bit of chop here after the PPI data. Okay. Call me data, call me whatever you wanna. I'm glad you're here hanging out with me. Shout out to all the members. A little bit of patience here. A little bit of patience here. We're going to zero. Bearish. Piper, I've never seen you so bearish. Never seen you so bearish, man. I think I'm gonna be the bulltard then. I don't mind being the bulltard. I bought more Bitcoin. I bought more render, and I bought more. What else did I buy? Injective. Good prices, man. I mean, I didn't back up the truck. Let's put it that way. The truck is still loaded. But I haven't been buying anything since, so. This is rolling over a little bit right now. A potential place to add to this trade, but I'm not keen right now. I would like to see some. We had the volatility, right? Volume was cranking to the upside. You can see volume's clearly decreasing now, right? So you had this sweep in here, volume, and now we're dying out and we're rolling over. So this tells me there's no strength coming in just yet, which is probably leading us in 9 minutes to market open, right? So a little bit of patience here. Okay, the NASDAQ trying to push up US 100 here. So we have a bear flag, obviously wanting to see the mitigation of the high in here, just chopping about. A failure to get back above this 19,700. Okay, so the NAS, same thing. NAS is at a critical support level. Want to see a higher high come in here. That's basically the juice of it. So want to see some strength. A little bit better bottoming structure in comparison to these ones. So we'll see how it goes. So keep our eyes on the NAS this morning on if it's going to continue to push. The Dixie ripping to the upside. Not that good news, okay? So we need to be cautious here because we are making a higher high on the Dixie, getting above the high here. So now this could be reversal, meaning Dixie up, Bitcoin down, right? Inverse correlated. So let's be cautious here. But this also gives us an opportunity for the retracement back in here. So keeping our eye on the prize. 104 is an actual good level for us to be at in comparison to the 107 that we were at from before. Now we have the SPY. The SPY is looking absolutely like dog poop. Okay. Wouldn't be surprised if we come for the low in here. However, we are at a very, critical, I would say critical level here, trying to hold on for dear life. Okay. We have this uptrending momentum that is pretty much broken. So let's see if that holds on. So we'll see how it opens up this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We have a 84,000. That is the wall in front of us. We are very well aware of the 84,000 level. Okay, it has acted as the Great Wall of China. Okay, so can we get above that? Can we start putting in some structure above that? If we do crack that 84,000 in here, we do look to come to that 86. Okay, that would be ideal. For now, we do have liquidity below us. You can see that anytime we have dipped, though, they have been bought up quite aggressively, okay? So right now, we're looking to get bought up quite aggressively. Now, we didn't come down to our golden pocket 786 level for the retracement here, after the PP data. We kind of front ran it. So are we going to bounce? We have mitigated the low. Looking to put in higher highs and higher lows. We are having a push right now as we speak, trying to push up and make a higher high in the short-term time frames. Okay, so nice little push out of here. I said you could add to your trade in here. That's not what I'm doing. I'm looking to make 250 bucks here if we come up to VWAP, and then I will close my trade. Happy days, okay? Happy days. My stop loss is that entry. We took this trade live with you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. So, can we get above 84? That is the question. If we do not get above 84, we're definitely looking down below here. First stop is 81.8, and then we have some critical levels down below here around 79,000. Okay? Always have a plan. Always zoom out. It is a privilege to be on short-term time frames, so you must zoom out in order to take advantage of the price action. Otherwise, you're going to get wrecked. Okay? Using good risk management is the key to all of this. Less trading, more winning. That's how we roll here. Thank you for being here. Trading is waiting. God bless you guys, and hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful Thursday morning. Let's get it. Let's see how market opens here. Thank you, everybody. Make sure you are saying good morning. I do expect good morning, so let me know how's your morning going. I have us falling out of an ascending triangle. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. So you got some sort of a triangular thing coming up in here, whatever that is. I can see that. I see what you mean, man. Whatever you're into, man. Triangles, pineapples. Love it, man. Love it. As long as you're making money, I salute you. I salute people. You can use moon cycles. You can use, I don't know, WD-40 patterns. We use balloon dog patterns. We use hot dogs. We use flamingos. We use stilettos. Heck, sometimes we even use, we won't go there, but bananas. Oh, man. Oh, man. Looks like we have continuation here, trying to mitigate the side, trying to push up. Okay, very good so far. So good. Still in the trade. Just waiting. Trading Cove, good to see you. Just a sub. Alex improved his commentary so much. He has everything we need to hear and then some. Perfect teacher. Just a sub. Thank you so much for the kind words, man. I appreciate you. BTC pushing, yeah. Don't forget, like, if I'm not on this screen, I'm looking at, I got another screen over here with my trade. I got another screen over here with you guys. Okay. I got the trifecta here. Okay. It's messy. It's ugly. But it works. It works. I got the camera up there. I got the ring light over here. I hate the ring light the most, man. This is like, this is how I should be. I got natural light coming in though this morning. Look at it. Oh my God. I'm blind now. Nice push here. This morning been so annoying so far, doing parasitic draw test on a Civic. Much rather be trading. Good to see you, Trump Power. Hopefully you're having a better day. We can we'll send some good vibes your way, and hopefully you get the goods, man. Get the goods. Nice mitigation of the high here. Continuation going into market open. We got 3 minutes. I got my take profit. My full close is right here. So we're getting all the way out of this trade. If we hit our VWAP here, I think it's at I front ran VWAP a little bit, so I'm at 185 for full take profit. We can make this more accurate for you people here. 185 would be full take profit for me. Okay. And that should yield us 250 bucks, okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I do continue to trade after dark, after we do. Yesterday was a plethora of trading, okay? We actually maybe we overtraded yesterday, but it was just so lucrative. I could not hold myself to stop, okay? Okay, today is, so we've taken one trade today, but yesterday Yesterday we were trading like a machine, okay? You can see the dates here if you want to see the dates, okay? Look at this yesterday. You can see the date was the 12th all the way through, okay? We've taken one trade today, so that would be at the top. It's not in there yet, okay? And you can see it had like a $900 day yesterday. In and out, quick, pay yourself, stop loss to entry. The price action is volatile, right? Sometimes you're going to hit the winners, and sometimes you're just going to hit the break-eveners, okay? Always guaranteeing profits. In this environment, you want to pay yourself. That's what I would do, okay? Right? As soon as we took profits here, stop loss to entry, guaranteed 150, right? It pushed up quite nicely. Now we're just chilling, right? So easily done, but it's taking those trades, but also protecting yourself at the same time and being okay getting stopped out for a $50 win. That's still a win. Okay. I've heard it's a popular move to Perth. Yeah, it is. I lived in Sydney, quick smoker, for a year. I was in Morningside. No, that was not Morningside. We were in Morningside was in Scotland. That's funny. Erskineville. I lived in Erskineville. Weird word. And I'm a carpenter by trade, so I was living in Sydney doing construction, which was awesome. Worked for a really cool company. They gave me a ute and all the tools and everything like that. It was pretty awesome. Pretty awesome gig. I'm surprised we didn't stay, but the thing with Australia is you do feel like you're on another planet. I'll tell you that. You're very far from anything. We did a Bali trip and stuff like that. That was pretty cool. But even Bali is 7 hours from Australia. So work life here is pretty good. Yeah, it's not bad, man. Not bad at all. You guys build a lot differently than Canada, though, because of your climate and termites and stuff like that. We use a lot more insulation. Let's put it that way. The only insulation you use in Australia is sound dampening. But Australia is, yes, it is. So I used to trade the evening session. So it would have been late at night, Sydney. Not sure what that falls into. So I would have traded like a 7 to 10 trading session. I think it was London Open. I'm not sure if it was London Open. Looks like we got continuation here. Getting bought up here. Yeah, Bali's 2 hours from Perth, yeah. It's funny because it's like Perth is on the northern side of Australia. Anybody in the long? Let me know if you guys are in the long. Did you add in here? I would love to know, guys. We are long from down below. Let me know if you guys are making money today. Love to see you guys win. That is why we do this. I love sharing with you guys, and hopefully we can all make that money together. Tony Schlong. Continuing to push here. Coming up to VWAP now. Oh, maybe we should have front ran it a little bit more. Why does everybody ask me where my VWAP's pulled from? Is my VWAP different to yours? UTC -4. Toronto. Market is open. The SPY rolling over. Ding, 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 ding. Banana phone. SPY rolling over. NAS 100. US 100. NAS. Same, different day. Dixie rejection. SPY gapping down. Very flat. No decision here, but putting in a lower low right now. So this could be a change in direction to the downside. The downside. to the downside. Bitcoin rolling over again. If we lose this low, I'm out. I'm going to put stop loss below here now. Stop loss is here. If we get hit, who cares? Let market structure tell you, right? If you're going to break that low, you're coming down, right? Lock in more profits, right? Lock in more profits. Pay yourself. Intention with the trade. Look to take another trade, right? New trap, new trade, new money. Good fun, okay? 440 people in here. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. We're doing a giveaway tomorrow. Market Cipher, memberships, maybe some USDT if you guys are good. And a couple of surprise announcements too, okay? Couple of surprise announcements. Gotta figure it out with the mods. See what the mods think. I don't know, putting up with you guys. The mods doing a hell of a job. Continue to push here. A little slap down, okay? Stop loss is, like we said, below the low here. Full take profit is up at VWAP. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting, but it's nice to be in a trade and very protected, okay? It's always nice to get into good entries, be protected from this stuff in here. What does that mean? Dixie to the downside, crypto down as well. Dixie's inverse correlated, IONUT. So it's inverse. So if Dixie's going up, Bitcoin's going down. However, we've been trending down, okay? People are holding less dollars and more assets, right? It's the opposite. We're not doing an AJAR. I'd be broke. Little battle here in the middle of the range. Chop City, man. Chop City. No problem, man. Giveaways tomorrow, yep. That should be fun. Hey, Alex. Jason Casper was praising you and your great TA skills. Do you guys do any other live trading videos as well, or just Discord? Thanks. I mean, I trade live here. Almost stopped out here. Boo, boo, doo, doo, doo. Almost stopped out here. It's trying to stop me out. It sees me. Look at this. It sees me. I'm not moving it. Everything you need to know for like live trading and stuff like that is it's on our it's on our YouTubes. I mean, he has great market cipher videos you can learn from. I have a whole playlist. It's most relevant playlist, it's called. So that'll give you a rundown of everything I'm using, how I use it, what I'm doing. Nothing's really a secret here. The difference, I wouldn't say the difference. The time spent in the charts, right? You ask anybody, ask Tradefly, ask Army Piper, ask any of these guys. I'm nonstop all day long. Ask Tony Soprano. Tony Soprano tells me to start another teaching gig every day. But I'm in this 24/7, 365. Like I teach in 1, 2, stopped out in profits. GG's everybody on that trade. Let's reassess here. But I'm nonstop all day long. Teaching, helping, all that stuff. GG's everybody. $160. Okay, stopped out. Next trade. SFP down below here. Potential bounce. Mitigation of the lows in here though, so change in structure. Failure to get above VWAP. A little bit of weakness. Trigger wave to the downside. Trying to pop back up here probably, but we'll see. Our next mitigation is here, but to me it's I'd be looking lower. I'm looking at the golden pocket down below us here in the screen box, so that would be ideal for a long trade. So we wait here. Something like this, rolling over, bounce and continuation, back up, hit VWAP again. We're looking for the short. The short's not quite clear right now. I would like to see maybe a flag out here. Breakdown. Okay. I tell you to take a effing break, but you don't listen. I can't help it. Yeah, I mean, I teach in Tom Crown's, our Discord, Chart Prime's Discord, Chart Hackers Discord. Discord is where the real teaching happens. Yeah, absolutely. We do a lot of like personal, we take questions in the Discord and then we break it down as much as we can. We have like our family live streams here where you get Alex and support resistance master classes. You get entries, holding trades, adding to trades, you name it. Our fibs. We did scalp mastery session. We did a big CVO lesson yesterday. I mean, constant, and it's catered to you, right? Like you got questions, we answer them, right? It's like we hopefully make it personal. Trade setups, absolutely. Trade setups, trade ideas, trade setups, bounces, all that stuff. Kyle, trade setup, beautiful trades, right? Entering, exiting, entered long position, yada, yada, yada. Brewberry, trades, ideas, entries, live streams. CVO, entries, areas. HRJ, entries, areas. Okay. Good fun. Good fun. Gains for life. In my opinion, the Discord teaches you to trust yourself after being educated. That's it. That's the thing. At the end of the day, we want you to take your own trades and give yourself your own trade setups, right? That's the goal. I want to set you free. I want you to be able to look at this and be like, nah, I'm not buying that. No, I'll wait for this. No, that's not my confirmation. Is that in my playbook? Is that my setup? Is that managing my risk? Am I able to... Okay, want you to be able to make those decisions for yourself, right? Teach you how to fish. But we want you to learn from people who are successful doing it, right? I know all the traders in our Discord are successful doing it, right? So that's the key too, is you're learning from profitable traders, people who are doing this for a living, people who are in the charts every day, who have found an edge, because we all trade differently. I scalp. Kyle, momentum, liquidity, great trader. Brewberry, smart money concepts, CVO, shark patterns, bat patterns, pivots, HRJ. He uses he uses some weird stuff, but it works. It works. Pretty wild. But yeah, there's variety in there, so you can learn a little bit of everything, right? I think that's important too. There's a wide wide span from swing trading to scalping to all that fun stuff, man. And I think the best part of our Discord is that we're not a bunch of degenerate a-holes. I'm sorry, but you know, in crypto, it's pretty easy to get stuck with a group of people who are just absolute douche canoes, not kind, not helpful, not wanting you to succeed, just there for your dollars or to flash their P&L cards at you and say, "I'm the best." That's not how we roll. Rolling over here. Patience, 945, okay. NAS is pretty flat. Dixie's pushing. S&P, like we said, breaking structure to the downside, rolling over here. So you can expect some sort of higher low coming in here, if anything, right? So you have a failure to take the highs in here. You have a sweep of the low. You can expect a higher low here, or we come for this low here. If you bounce out of here, that's great. If you don't, you're coming down for the low. Very easy. This doesn't look good, though. We can look for the same thing here, where mitigation of the low. Bounce back up, continuation back up to VWAP. We can look for that here. Let's see if we get it. Getting a little overextended on our momentum wave 2. 24 is pretty cooked. 15. If you wanted to load, that would be great. Money's coming out aggressively. Rejection on VWAP. Not ideal. Not ideal for a long here. 1 hour still dripping out. So not really not a hell of a lot pushing up right now, in my opinion. We got divergence here though. We got higher high and a lower low here on our market cipher. We got higher high, lower low. Okay. Picking it apart, right? We talked about that earlier in the stream where you're trying to find. We're in a downtrend. That's it. Short term downtrend. This would have been our short. It didn't come up to VWAP. Remember, we were looking for the VWAP slap. It didn't happen. Okay. Mitigation of the slow. Continuation down. Okay. Key target down below here. So we wait. Got our volume support level we're coming into right now. Still waiting. Push and bounce, baby. Let's see something like this. Now that we've gotten a push and bounce, like a slap in here that we took, this I would like to see a higher low. Okay, that's what I would like to see. And then we can look for that continuation up. Here's the slap. Good volume in that candle. Pushing down here. I'm more interested down here. Okay, getting through that low. Continuation here, rolling over. No trade here. Not looking to buy this. Not interested in this one. I'm looking for a break of momentum, so we're looking for this to be broken and a higher low come in. We got bull div in here again. Bull div. That would be on our probably on our 12-minute here bull div. Maybe not. $5-minute? No. Getting bought up nicely here, but like I said, we want momentum break here. Patience. This, because we're so close to here, like this was a different story because we were slapping this low in here. Right? We were slapping this one. This is a different story. We're slapping this low in here, and we bounced back and we reclaimed it, okay? We bounced back and we reclaimed it, then we bought it. This is just continuation to the downside. Spot the difference, right? Coming into our golden pocket area here now. We're not taking the golden pocket. We're not just gonna buy the golden pocket, okay? We don't want to get a golden shower. We want a golden pocket bounce, okay? We don't want this one. That's the golden shower. I can change it to yellow if it makes it more gross for you, because you don't want to buy it, okay? Sometimes you got to be rude with it to tell you, don't be buying this, right? You wait for confirmation bias in an area, okay? Critical area, you look for the bounce, not until you get the bounce, right? We're not wick whisperers here, okay? Crypto Pollo, what's going on? Cluck cluck mofo, what's going on? Crypto Pollo, 5 gifted memberships. God bless you, bro. Angie Zed. Kubu Kubao. Good morning. Zena got a membership. Awesome. Ed Camp, good morning to you. Mike, good morning to you. I think we got 2 lurkers in here. Thank you so much, Pollo. God bless you, bro. The chicken. The chicken. There's only one chicken in the group photo. There's only one chicken. And he's right down in here. I don't know if you guys can see him. You see him right over here? I'm gonna pet my chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Honk, 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 honk. There's only one chicken, and there's only one dog, R.S. Miller, right here. All right. Bouncing Bitcoin here. Bouncing Bitcoin. Shout out to the chicken in the chat, man. God bless you, man. Thank you for the memberships. You should never lurk on an... I just ask people... You're in my house. Come and say good morning, man. You know, like... You come... It's like... Imagine you're at my front door and you just stood there. You're going to ring the doorbell? You're going to say hello? The only block chicken. Let's go. Bitcoin's dying. Everyone's crying. Gains for life in here. Thank you for being here, man. Newbie Crypto gang, gang, gang. Looking for the slap into the golden pocket here. We'll see what we get. Bounce reaction, right? Swing low to swing high. Swing low to swing high. You got a general area in here. We could be interested in a 786 as well. So I could switch this box like this. I go right, and I could put golden pocket 786 so we know where both are. So the bottom of the box is the 786 as well. Locally. A general area. That we're looking for a retracement, right? So if we're going up, we're looking for the bounce out of here and the continuation up. Okay, but we need to have certain criteria met in order to justify getting long in here. Okay. Higher high, higher low, sweep of the low, bounce into here. Okay. Just another level. It's just another level. You don't have confirmation, why are you taking the trade, right? Looks like a bleed out day. Yeah, we were right about the S&P losing this support in here. So the S&P probably trying to bounce off of here, right? So we got that same level here on the S&P approaching. But we have mitigated the low in here. So this is looking bearish. Okay. We're hitting our 618 right now. So you know the 618's here. The 0.65 is here. And the 786 is here, right? You guys know this. So we are approaching the golden zone, the golden magical zone. Anybody get short here? Let me know if you're short here. That's a nice short. I mean, a lot of waiting for the dump, but it's a good short. I like. You could have taken the short off of the break here. Okay, right here. Stop loss. That's the problem, right? The stop loss would have to go above this high minimum. Let me know if you're in the short. Trying to bounce out of the golden pocket here. Ryan Martin, he's short. Peter's short from 83. Good job. Been short from 84. Good job. 84 is that Great Wall of China. Yeah, great job, everybody. Nice job. That's incredible. Good work. Short from VWAP projection. Nice. Good job, everybody. I love hearing you guys win, man. Bleeding out here. 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame, looking a little bit more realistic, right? Do you wanna buy this thing? This is a waterfall, man. This is probably coming 786 at this point. Okay. Another way to trade this today is, as we're coming down here, we look for a retest of the lows, right? A retest of the lows is something I do like to take quite often here. So you look for the rejection in here. If you get the right criteria to get short. Great job with the shorts, everybody. I mean, the PP data, you could have... So the PP data told us the story, right? Like, we talked about it this morning. We had swept all the liquidity above us, therefore justifying us to think short, right? Obviously, we took a beautiful little scalp long here. But this was the story, right? What is the story today? Is that we squeezed all the shorts in, all the late shorts in here, right? Not many people getting short in here unless you Otter Gang, right? So this told us that we are probably coming down, right? We were looking at VWAP here. We didn't get all the way up, which is fine, right? The missus may be mad that we didn't get it all the way up, but, you know, sometimes, you know, too much whiskey, whatever you're into. Continuing to bleed out here, okay? A slow grind down, okay? So what happens with a slow grind down, and that you have to be aware of, okay, all those people who are in shorts, is as you grind down slowly, eventually you get a squeeze. Whoop, okay? And it happens pretty quick. So that's why you're not trying to short this right now, because you will get squeezed eventually. It's hard to tell, especially when it's slow. It's once the market maker has seen enough of this built up, okay, of people getting short for continuation here, they'll decide to squeeze it before sending it back down, okay? Look at this, golden pocket mitigated, okay? Now we're looking at 786. Very simple, right? Very simple. You could have taken the short on the break here. You could have taken the trigger wave up here. Lots of options. Ideally, I would like to see 79,500. That would be ideal. But they are squeezing everybody. Everybody is getting absolutely squashed. 430 people in here. It's incredible, man. I feel too blessed to be stressed. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out here. Bitcoin dumping. Okay. The hopium is real. Everybody wants to see a big old push. We have yet to see the big old push. All we see is some hopium established, and then a dumpium. Okay, this price action here is a really good tell as well. Like you can see we have the V-shaped recovery in here. And then you have really a slow methodical grind to the top, hitting our 84,000. What is this? This is liquidity. What typically happens is you come for that liquidity, which we're doing right now. If you're going to buy this thing today, you'll want to see confirmation of the trend reversing. Okay? If you don't know what a reversal looks like, go and back test. You got to know what this looks like. What is this here, everybody? What is this? This is a bearish divergence with a sweep of the highs. Right? Where's our bear div? Let's zoom in. Let's look at the high here. What does this say? Okay, this says we have a fake out. Here's your fake out right here. Okay. Here's your mitigation of the low, so that's why it's a fake out. And then your push higher, 3 drives, bear divs, the retest, and the continuation down. You can sell here or you can sell up here. This is probably a 786 retest. It's kind of like what we took the other day on Tuesday. Yeah, your golden pocket retest and down you go. Okay, coming up to a critical level of resistance, right? Looks like we're getting a little bounce in here. Little bounce. Now, when trading this on the downtrend here, so we have like an order block in here. So I'm always interested in order blocks and retests of previous lows. So if you're looking for continuation of a downtrend for scalping, okay, for scalping, you're looking for order blocks and retests of previous lows, okay? That's going to give you an area where you can be pretty cheap, okay, because we want to be as cheap as possible, right? So you want to look for these areas in here. You can be cheap, just stop loss above the high here and look for continuation down to key targets, okay? That's typically how I will get on a trend when I have missed the full move, okay? Just a little trick to the trade. And throw on your order blocks in here. You can see them, right? I can see it just, you should be able to see this, but that's a way to get continuation. Now, what stumps this is if you make a higher high and you come down here, you should be taking profits early. Because if you make a higher low, you can justify a long now. So you need to understand market structure and price action, okay? You typically want to catch this move early, but if you don't, there's ways to jump on safely. Okay, safety is first. You can see we are overextended on our standard deviations on VWAP here. So this is typically a bounce level as well. You can see our chart prime band here, quantum band, is actually very useful. Every time you deviate outside of the band, which is right here, you can see the band. Okay, these chicks don't even know the name of my band. But every time you deviate outside of that band, you can typically look to bring it up to the top of that band. Okay, so getting a little bit overextended to the downside here. But remember, with downside price action, you take the stairs up and the elevator down. So always remember that downwards price action is a lot more aggressive. 440 people here, 250 likes. An amazing stream today, full of incredible traders. A great trade today. Good fun. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tomorrow's giveaway, so be there or be square. Might give away them early, might give them away. I'm not going to tease you. We'll give them away at the end of this stream, so you guys can just pop on and be a degen and try to undermine all the people who actually show up here, and we might filter you out. Who knows? Who knows? Thank you, everybody, for being here. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. I'm going to send you over to Piper Academy. Like, subscribe. See you in the Discord. Take care. Mad love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet.